In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a credit memo in QuickBooks Online. This process is quick and simple, but by the end, you'll feel confident handling credit memos for your business accounts within QuickBooks. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're in, we're going to direct our attention to the upper left corner of the screen. Here, you'll find the New button. This button is your gateway to creating a variety of transaction records. So let's go ahead and give that button a click. Once you do, a drop-down menu will appear, showcasing all sorts of options. For our purposes, you'll want to select the option that's labeled Credit Memo. Choosing Credit Memo will bring up a new window where you'll input the specifics of your credit memo. This is the section where you get to tell QuickBooks everything it needs to know about this transaction. Let's break this down further. You will need to provide key details such as the customer's name and the credit amount, along with the date. It's crucial to ensure accuracy here, as these details will impact your financial records. Additionally, you might want to include an optional memo for future reference. Inputting comprehensive information now can save you time and confusion down the road. Now that you've entered all the necessary details, it's time to make sure everything looks accurate. Double-check your entries. It's always a good idea to review and verify any input, especially when it concerns financial data. Once you're satisfied that everything is correct, your next step is to save your work. To do this, simply click the Save button. This action will permanently record the credit memo, ensuring that it's properly reflected in your books. And just like that, you've successfully created a credit memo in QuickBooks Online. This straightforward process highlights how QuickBooks can simplify your financial management tasks, allowing you to keep thorough and organized records with minimal hassle. Before we wrap up, here are a few additional tips to make the most out of your QuickBooks experience. Regularly review your credit memos to stay on top of any changes or corrections you might need to make. Also, consider customizing QuickBooks' settings to better fit your business's specific needs, which can further optimize your efficiency. That's all there is to it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're now more comfortable managing credit memos within QuickBooks Online. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out for additional support. Thanks for watching and happy book